Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. On Tuesday, Inu was one of the stocks that did well. Shib jumped to a high of 9,593 cents early in the day, less than 24 hours after trading at a low of 8,603 cents. This was the sixth time that token prices went up. Because of this most recent price increase, Shiba Inu is now at its highest level since December 5th. After the 10-day and 25-day moving averages crossed up, the market went up today. In this video, we'll talk about tonight's news about the Shiba Inu price pump that will make you a millionaire. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Kucoin, a Twitter account that keeps track of the burning of Shiba Inu, says that Binance took a huge 12.6 trillion Shib tokens out of the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange staking pool after Binance unstaked the cryptocurrency with the dog theme. The largest cryptocurrency exchange moved 12.6 trillion Shib tokens from the Shiba Swap staking pool. At the time of the transaction, 12.6 trillion Shib was worth $116.23 million. Even though more than 12.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were taken out of the staking pool, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange was not done with Shib staking on Shiba Swap per Shib burn. Binance later resold on the platform 4 trillion Shib worth $36.28 billion. Notably, the exchange moved the 4 trillion Shib tokens to an anonymous wallet before staking them back in Shiba Swap DEX's staking pool. The Shiba Inu burn tracker also shows that there are 18.1 trillion Shib in the staking pool right now. It's important to note that Shiburn's announcement comes as the burn tracker tries to tell members of the Shib army about how Binance moved a huge 4 trillion Shib tokens to Shiba earlier. In the meantime, people in the Shiba Inu community had a lot to say about what had happened. The most important comment came from Shib BPP, a well-known Shiba Inu expert. Shib BPP said that Binance has an active wallet on Shiba Swap. The wallet was created on the same day that the Shiba Inu team launched the DEX Shib. BPP said that Binance uses the wallet for staking Shib and DEX, staking pool, claiming rewards, and giving the rewards to its users. Shiba Inu announced that the Bugatti Group will host a mint party for the ecosystem's NFTs, which are called kiboshes. This is a special edition event. Through this partnership, our most loyal and supportive Shib token holders will be able to get physical items and collectible NFTs as people who owned NFT Genesis, the team said. The Binance edition will only have 299 releases, and a crossbody limited edition luggage bag from the Bugatti Group will come with 95% of all the mints. This is a very special first edition release with a mint price of 0.14 ETH. A carry-on item from the same Bugatti Group will be given to 5% of all the mints or 15 lucky people in the community. During the Twitter Spaces event, the site for minting will go live, but the redemption portal won't be open until a week after the mint process ends. On January 15, there will be a Skybox and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event. The price of a Shiba Inu is at the top of a fallen wedge. This comes after a failed attempt to break above the pattern's resistance, which would have led to a 66.62% move to 1,508 cents. The strong resistance is at 956 cents, which is also where the 100-day exponential moving average is and where the upper trend line of the pattern is. At $0.882, the 5-day exponential moving average EMA gives the Shiba Inu price the support it needs to get enough money for the second attempt to break out. Bulls might soon push for the uptrend to start again, especially since the moving average convergence-divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. The bullish outlook for the Shiba Inu price is also backed up by the fact that the MACD is still moving above the mean line and the blue line is moving away from the red line. So, it might not be a matter of if but of when the falling wedge will stop. Keep in mind that the Xbox and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event is coming up in only 4 days, which could make more investors pay attention to Shib. Place buy orders above the wedge pattern, or, if you prefer, you could expect the 100-day EMA recovery above the pattern to rise sharply to 1,508 cents. This would be a 66.62% move. The target is equal to the distance from the breakout point to the widest part of the wedge. The Shiba Inu community excited for the Shibarium protocol to go live. Near the end of 2022, there were more and more rumors about when it would come out. But the upgrade is being held up by delays. Shiba Inu will make Ships more scalable and keep their direct connection to the Ethereum network. The Shiba Inu's development team says that Shiba Inu, which is a Layer 2 blockchain solution, will be out soon. As of right now, there's no official launch date, but the community hopes it will happen in the first 3 months of 2023. Shiba Inu is one of the top cryptocurrencies that many small investors keep an eye on, and it is once again on a good run. On January 11, the 24-hour move to 5.6% brought Shib's year-to-date gain to nearly 14%. Because of a few things. Right now, both cryptocurrencies and meme tokens are going up. Most people think of these assets as high beta ways to play rising asset prices. This year, more speculative assets are rising from their lows because people think that interest rates could reach their final rate in the first half of the year before taking a break. And this month, a whale paid $28.7 million for Shiba Inu. This shows that whales are becoming more interested in Shiba Inus. Given that a large amount of Shib, like most cryptocurrencies, is held by a small number of people, these kinds of actions can have a big effect on the price of a given token. This will be an important thing for investors to keep an eye on. Lastly, the launch of Shiba Inu's metaverse and the upcoming launch of Shiba Inu, which will burn tokens for every transaction on the network, make this project more appealing from a tokenomics point of view. Shiba Inu is no longer a small crypto token. It is now worth more than $5 billion. So, it's not likely to go up by more than 1,000,000% again, because it would put the value of this project in a place that's hard to imagine. The truth is that there are a lot of companies with real cash flows and profits that are worth a lot less than $5 billion. It's one thing to say that Shiba Inu can take off from here, but it might be hard to see gains like that, at least in the short term. Wazirx, India's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, has released proof of its reserves and has a reserves to liabilities ratio of more than 1:1. Wednesday, the company said. Wazirx says it has reserves worth $286.10 million. The Shiba Inu token, which is worth almost $54 million, is the largest holding in Wazirx. The safety and security of user funds is our #1 goal. With this in mind, the report says that we have made public our wallet addresses, list of exchanges, and independent proof of reserves report. Wazirx is $286.10 million in reserves, with crypto assets worth $259.65 million on the exchange and $26.45 million on the blockchain. There are $6.9 trillion in the top 5 reserves. Shiba Inu's age is 303.32 million Doge and 16.53 million Matic, which is equivalent to 1,356,054 BTC and $20,072,000.54. Also, the crypto exchange has 95.67 million native tokens that are worth almost $14 million. After putting out its report, Wazirx said that it has enough money set aside to meet